Today we have a 2000 white Toyota Tacoma. Front bumper's no good. Headlamps and front lamps are good. Hood is good. Driver's side fender is good. Driver's side door no good. Cab clip no good. Quarter and box no good. Frame no good. Rear axle no good. Driver's side leaf spring no good. Rear bumper no good. Deck lid no good. Tailgate no good. Passenger tail lamp no good. Passenger quarter no good. Passenger door is good. Passenger fender is good. Engine and transmission are good. All engine components are good. Passenger trim panel is good. Bench front seat is good.